to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make garlic and chili calamari rings. So let's get started.
I've got here 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of chopped shallots or you can use spring onions, 50 grams of chopped butter, 1 chili which I have made into a paste or you can add it according to your taste, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 6 cloves of grated garlic, 750 grams of calamari rings and half a teaspoon of paprika. The first thing you need to do is cut the calamari rings into thirds for large ones and keep the small ones whole. Place a non-stick fry pan on high heat, add oil and chopped butter and heat it until the oil is hot and the butter has melted. Add garlic and chili, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add calamari rings, onion powder, paprika, shallots and salt. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes or until the sauce thickens slightly, stirring it frequently. After 8 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt, but you can always add it according to your taste. Turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My garlic and chili calamari rings are ready and you can serve it with some stir-fried vegetables and garlic bread. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.